What's up YouTube? It's Joel here. It's time to talk investing in cryptocurrency. Why you should ditch the stocks and go to crypto. I'm going to show you the real life examples of what I'm going through and how much I'm making, and show you where things are at, where they're going, and what you can do to become the next crypto millionaire. But if you could take a quick second and smash that like button for me, I can't begin to tell you how much it helps out the channel. It makes that YouTube algorithm super happy. Let's get right into it. Cryptocurrency is the future. We have Forbes showing that cryptocurrency will transform the world of business. You have guys like Stephen Graham doing videos saying Doge is going to $1. Meet Kevin partnering with the Dogecoin millionaire saying that, hey, it's going to be going to $2.50. And so we are going to go over where this is going and why you should get into crypto. And I'm just going to show you, because I'm already on board, I'm a believer, I'm going to show you my account. So if we look at Dogecoin just a few months ago, it was around 5 cents per coin, and now it's basically almost 10x, and it's hovering around the 51-cent range but slightly going up. Where do you know that you can go and basically 10x your money that fast in a matter of months? It's insane. But also too, you can see that I've got over 13,400 Dogecoin in this account on Robinhood, with a full 100% portfolio diversity into Dogecoin. And my total return right now is over 114%. I mean, I've doubled my money by getting into this crypto called Dogecoin. That in the beginning, yeah, it might have been a joke. Yeah, it might have been created, a little while ago, and everybody thought, hey, this will never be nothing. But there's so many people just like me that are making some real money, and it's actually becoming something so real that everybody's talking about it and saying, you know what? This could be the next big thing. I first started buying it off whenever it was only 6 cents. And each week I'd buy a little bit more and a little bit more. And now you can see that my average cost is 24 cents. But wow, how awesome is this to be able to make so much money in such a little bit of time? And it's continuing to grow. It's continuing to gain so much momentum because more and more people are starting to believe in the Doge. So now you see where my account is and why I believe in this crypto. The big question is, should you invest in Dogecoin? Should you keep investing in stocks? Dogecoin is taking the world by storm. You've got Elon Musk, who has become the Doge father. You have one of the largest Coinbase trading platforms in the world who's about to bring Dogecoin onto their platform. And this is what I'm talking about, where we're going to see a huge spike, because every time a new trading platform adopts this new cryptocurrency, it shoots up because more people have access to it. So what should you do? If Doge goes to $1, then you'll basically 2x your money from right now. You'll basically double your money of what you put in now. But if Dogecoin goes to, like what they say, $2.50, you would 5x your money from where it's currently at now. And as more and more platforms adopt Dogecoin, it will be available to more users. As more users have access to buy it, they're going to. It shows that every time another platform adopts it, the trading, the prices surge. Webull even brought it onto its platform. You've even got online stores, big ones like Newegg, that sells products that are now accepting Doge. I mean, when you've got two of some of the most popular billionaires in the world who are now supporting this crypto coin, and with their combined influence of over 62 million users on Twitter, you're talking about a lot of ears that are hearing the words of Mark Cuban and Elon Musk. And as they continue to push, out to their audience that, hey, let's go and Doge to the moon, this is what's going to happen. It's going to go up. Even the Mavericks, who's owned by Mark Cuban, this professional basketball team, is accepting Dogecoin cryptocurrency for tickets and merchandise. And this is probably the biggest news of them all. Tesla has stopped accepting Bitcoin. as a form of currency for buying their Teslas, because they made huge news whenever they said, hey, we're going to start accepting this cryptocurrency as a form of payment for buying our products. And what happened? The price went up. It was literally hovering around the 40, 50,000 range and shot up over 60,000. This was huge, and a lot of people were just jumping on board. But then they found out, okay, well, Elon comes out and says, it's really harsh on the environment of mining for Bitcoin, and we can't, trade off trying to go green with Teslas and then, basically killing the earth with mining for Bitcoin. And so that's where we get this new tweet from the Doge father, Elon Musk, working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. As soon as this came out, Dogecoin shot up, because this is now becoming more of a stable coin. This is becoming to a point where a lot of people are saying, hey, Tesla is considering adding Dogecoin and replacing Bitcoin with Dogecoin because of how efficient it is when you mine for it, and it's healthier for the environment. Then we got these articles that says that Dogecoin developers say that they've been working with Elon Musk since 2019 to make it cheaper, greener alternative to Bitcoin. So this brings to light so much, because a lot of people were saying, why is this billionaire, pushing this meme? Why is he pushing, saying Doge to the moon? He would send out one-word tweets just saying Doge, and then it would skyrocket. And it's so funny, because now you understand that if this is true from the developers, that Elon Musk has known this whole time. He's understand. This guy is smart. He knows what he's doing. I mean, if he can be such a huge vital part in sending a spaceship into space and then being able to use that same one, you're talking about this cryptocurrency he sees as the future. He sees that there's a lot of validity to it, and that it's going to be something that everybody's going to be using one day. So now the big question is it worth considering putting some money into the Doge? Right now, everyone would love to get it to $1, but a lot of people say it's not going to stop there. According to a current trend, the crypto news says it will cross $1 before the end of the year, and then it's going to keep continuing to go up from there. You have Mark Cuban, who believes that these meme coins like the Doge only work if they gain utility and users use them for that utility. That's why he added it to his own basketball team that he owns, to start using it as currency, because he understands the more people use it, the more it becomes as a stable coin. And he said, as long as you can spend the Doge, because we know that its an annual inflation rate is set at 5 billion coins, it's gonna gain some value as the utility grows. It becomes like any other currency that we use now today. So you're talking about the super smart guy too, Mark Cuban, who's, hey, bringing the Doge into his life, into his business. The creator himself, Bill Marcus, said that $1 Dogecoin would take its market cap above that of actual companies that provide services to millions like Boeing, Starbucks, American Express, and his former employer, IBM. So now you have it. If more retailers actually begin to accept it, then absolutely, it could very well hit $1 and stay there and go up, assuming that the more and more people buy into it and start making it, putting it into their businesses, like Newegg, like the Mavericks team, that professional basketball team. But should you switch from stocks and buy into the crypto game? And you ask me, which I'm not a professional and I can't give legal financial advice, but I like to have my cake and eat it too. Because I've been putting money into the S&P 500 for the past 3 years. And you can see my average return here is around 16%, which is phenomenal. It's great. But because of over the past 10 years, the S&P has averaged around 13.6%. That's why I put my money into that, and I want to have that steady growth. But even companies like Berkshire Hathaway, with the famous Warren Buffett, have only averaged around 12.98% over the past 10 years. So now you can see the appeal of crypto compared to regular stocks, mutual funds, things like that. But I feel you should take everything with the risk and reward ratio. If you're young and you've got the time for more risk, then hey, go ahead, hit that crypto game up. put it into the Doge. But for those who need more stability, then going with something like the S&P 500, which is basically a fund that has 500 companies built into one account. So there's a lot of stability that comes with it, so that if one company goes down, you've got 499 to hold it back up. So it's still going to gain you some money, but it's going to keep you in a lot safer place than maybe the volatility that comes with cryptocurrency right now. But if you got funds to throw in like Coinbase or Robinhood or Webull, you might have the chance to make 50% return on your money very, very quickly. Let me know your thoughts on what you decide to do, because one thing that is gaining more and more certainty every single day is that cryptocurrency is not going away. The more people adopt it, the more people that have influence adopt it, and then they push and have their influence behind these cryptocurrencies like Elon Musk, like Mark Cuban. It's only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. But if you want to jump on the stocks game, I've got 2 links down in the description. One for Webull, where you can get up to 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850, or you can go with Robinhood and get 2 free stocks worth up to $500, or do it like me, go with both, get as much free stocks as you can get. But I also have my link in there for Coinbase, and Coinbase is where you could be starting to trade all this new cryptocurrency. And if you sign up with that link, you're going to get some free Bitcoin and get you started. I mean, why not start off with already on the plus side and getting some free crypto? So those links are down in the description, and let me know which free stocks you get or how much free Bitcoin you get. But understand that the cryptocurrency game is only going to get bigger, bigger, and bigger. So don't be one of those that maybe sat on the sideline. It doesn't matter if you put in 5 or 10 or 20 bucks, at least put something in, and then you can start seeing that, hey, either it's going to have a return or not, but you can start getting into the game of investing and building your wealth. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you, and learn how to build some wealth. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.